After months of trying with the 296, we still can't get it started.
This car has been through everything. It originally crashed in Cyprus, and that's where we went to collect it. But even at that moment, we couldn't get the car started.
That touchscreen doesn't really do anything. These ain't doing anything. We've literally got no power to the car. So it's like the pyro fuse has cut everything out.
The Ferrari techs told us there that it's best to rebuild the entire car, plug it all in, and then try again.
Everything on the can has to be plugged in.
Yeah, otherwise you can't scan it.
So all the airbags have got to be on.
We then took the car back to the UK and started rebuilding it,
I think that's the Ferrari.
but still couldn't get it started.
Car, this tested me completely, this has, because I really don't know.
And no matter what we did, how much we put on, how much we fixed, nothing would get that ignition to go on. So I went to the last resort and contacted Ferrari.
I just need a bit of advice with this 296 and